So I get asked a lot about dyeing baby oil, and I'm doing a little experiment here with a new baby oil that I purchased. This is a oil gel, which one of my viewers said I should try out, which I have not used before, but it's very thick. It's kind of cool. I'm going to be using this in a project today, which will be out hopefully within a week or so. But I wanted to try dyeing this, and I'm not exactly sure what's in that, so I've picked out two different dyes. This is the candle making liquid colorant. This works for oil. So if you're trying to dye oil, a candle dye or an oil-based candy dye is what you want to use. If you are trying to dye oil with a water-based product, what will happen? Now I've taken my just plain water-based food coloring. This is the stuff I use for dyeing my glycerin. Now I've put a couple drops into the oil here, and now watch what happens. You see that? It does not mix. It just makes it all streaky. It doesn't actually mix into it. And now if you leave this sit, it'll all go back, it'll like separate. Whereas the oil-based coloring, you put that into it and immediately wants to go into the oil. It immediately, you don't have to like force it to dye it. See that? It just immediately becomes the same, immediately blends with the oil. As opposed to this, you see how it's all streaky and chunky? It's not actually dyeing the oil, it's just clumping in. I don't know if you can see that. Whoops. See how it's kind of just clumping? It may look like it's coloring it, but it isn't. It's kind of mixing in, but as soon as you let this sit for any length of time, it's just going to separate. So I hope that helps explain that a little bit. I'm not sure if that's perfectly clear, but you can definitely see the difference. See how beautiful and clear that is? You can see right through it. I hope that helps you guys, and leave me any comments or questions if it doesn't help, and I'll try to explain a little better. Thanks for watching.